my screen visible?
Yes, visible now.
So, just a quick recap. We went
Mm-hmm.
through the basics of Workday HCM. Basics means we can say we just try to understand what Workday HCM exactly is. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just a minute. Huh?
Uh-huh.
We understood that Workday is a cloud-based ERP system. Okay, that helps the
Mm-hmm.
organizations to manage their people and all the issues we can say, or all the day-to-day operations regarding their workers or their employees. Okay.
Okay.
Major things to remember is Workday is a SaaS based product. Okay, that means
Mm-hmm.
software as a service. That means the
Okay.
company cannot purchase entire Workday, they can subscribe their services.
Okay.
Okay, like we had discussed. um, yeah, the main things to remember is there are four types of Workday tenants that we
Mm-hmm.
have. One is the main production tenant. It is not exactly the tenant, but the production field we can say, wherein you can have the live access to all the day-to-day workday activities. Okay, like
Mm-hmm. Okay.
whatever you do, it will be live on that tenant. Second, we have implementation, wherein it is used during the initial project setup, wherein the
Mm-hmm.
company is newly, adapting Workday. At that time, you have to use this type of tenant to help them.
Mm-hmm.
Thirdly, we have sandbox. That is the tenant that we are going to use for the training purpose.
Okay.
And the fourth is the preview. Whenever there is a new releases upcoming, you can use
Mm-hmm.
on the tenant and you can test it and then you can apply on the production. Then the important thing that we sorry, yes. First, then the important thing we saw is organizations in the workday. Now, these
Mm-hmm.
organizations, when you start working in the workday, at that time you will understand what exactly does these mean. Okay, like right now you can just understand it on the theoretical part, but once you
Mm-hmm.
start using, you will get to know that where and how exactly you have to use all these.
Okay.
The very primary one is the organization, supervisory organization, wherein
Mm-hmm.
there is a hierarchy created in the workday. Like Himanshu is there.
Mm-hmm.
Under Himanshu, there are four reportees. Under those
Mm-hmm.
reportees, there are more reportees. So this
Mm-hmm.
is organization.
Yeah, okay.
So other we had seen cost center also. We once you create the company, you will have to
Mm-hmm.
enter the cost center. That we will do once we go to the create company point very
Mm-hmm.
close. I think it will be in the next class. So you can just understand right now what theory we are learning.
Sure.
Yeah. This is the role based security. This also we will go in the next class only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's recall the core HCM modules that we have and that we are going to basically complete in this course. Core HCM like begins with job management and creating the company, how to create the company, how to create the company location, company profile,
Mm-hmm.
cost center, budget, etc. Then the
Okay.
recruitment module, the payroll module, the benefits, how we can add them in the workday, time and
Mm-hmm.
absence, talent and learning like LMS system,
Mm-hmm.
compensation, and people analytics, how to generate reports basically.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all to recall. Now we will go to the exact tenant.
Okay.
So when you log in, वो जो हमें ID and password दिया है, it will
Mm-hmm.
look like this. Do you know like how to log in? Will you able to understand?
Yes, I have already logged in.
You logged in now? Great, that's great.
Yes.
So this is how the tenant interface will look. Okay.
Okay.
So there is not much difference into production and the tenant one.
Okay.
It's just that you can see a name here, that is Logan McNeil. Okay, now Logan McNeil is, this person is not Logan McNeil. Okay, this is another one. But there is no original person named as Logan McNeil in Workday. Okay, it is just a fictional employee made by the company so that we can use this tenant.
Got it.
Okay, so under them, their name, we use this tenant so that we can understand, or we can say we can learn through this tenant, etc.
Okay.
But there
Got
is
it.
no such human in Workday.
Okay.
Okay, now to begin with, I will give you basic introduction. This is a taskbar. Okay, wherein we can search all our activities that we need to do in this
Mm-hmm.
or we can say in the production also. In production also, this is the similar one.
Okay.
But it's just that if you are using, you will have this. Like it will be your name. Now you can see
Okay.
Logan McNeil. Instead of Logan McNeil, it will be your name.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the taskbar wherein you can search all the activities that you need to do. Now,
Mm-hmm.
in Workday, there are only two terms used. One is report, and the other one is
Mm-hmm.
task. Okay. Now, what is
Okay.
the difference between report and task? Can you just tell me by listening, like, what do you think? What it will be?
Report and task.
Yeah. What is the difference in report and task? What do you think they are?
Report, I think, related to analytical parts, whereas we have to, for an example, I required an data of an entire, like who are in this Jaipur or the Rajasthan report.
Uh-huh.
For an example, a company is into the many, like all the states, whereas I just want a report from the Rajasthan employees, so I can generate a report in terms of location, or there are many in terms of legal entity, in terms of accounting unit, we can fetch some kind of reports, whereas it will help business for some analytical decisions.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is the report, and the second one is task, whereas a task where we have to create something. For an example, we have to enroll an employee, a new joiner into the system.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that would be the task.
Okay. I make it simple for you. Okay.
Mhm.
Report means a data, we can say, or a file which you can only view.
Mhm.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
But task is a data or a file that you can work on or you can do action on that. Okay,
Okay.
let's take an example. Let's take first example of a report. Okay,
Mhm.
I'll type worker. There is no employee in Workday. Okay, if there
Okay.
is employee, you have to call it as a worker only.
Worker. Okay.
Now you can see worker allocations, worker
Mhm.
certifications, worker details. You
Mhm.
can see here report.
Mhm.
That means this is a data or a file that you can only see or you can
Mhm.
refer. You
Okay.
cannot change or edit it. You cannot work on that data. You
Okay.
can just see.
Like Power BI, is it?
No. Like it's a data only, but
Mhm.
you cannot change it. For example, you have 10 employees under you and you have
Mhm.
to see their details.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know in this tenant there will not be any details, but see, for example, see 11,331 results you can see.
Mhm.
All you can do is just see. Okay,
Okay.
for example, this is the employee. You just click it and you see his location and his manager. That's it.
Kind of, we are just viewing someone's profile.
Yeah, exactly. You can only see, or you can
Mhm.
just have the knowledge regarding. Okay, you. I think this is
Mhm.
ABD person. You wanted to see his location, so you opened and saw his location. That's it.
Mhm.
You cannot do
Okay.
anything else. You cannot change. For example, you want to change his location here. No, you can't.
Mhm.
You cannot
Okay.
change it.
Got it.
You
Got
can just
it.
see.
Mhm.
This is report. While
Okay.
in task, for example, you have to create, for example, a custom report. Okay. See, you can
Mhm.
see here task.
Mhm.
That means You can officially work on this thing. You can edit it, you can delete it, you can action on this. कि okay,
Okay.
हिमांशु को रिपोर्ट बनानी है, so you can
Oh,
work over here.
ठीक है.
Okay, let's
हाँ
keep
हाँ
it simple. Did you understand?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत मतलब आ गया समझ में काफी हद तक.
It's very easy. Only two terminologies in the workday.
हाँ हाँ.
One is report and one is task. अगर for
Okay.
example आपको किसी ने बताया कि हिमांशु कैन यू जस्ट ओपन द रिपोर्ट ऑफ ऑल द एम्प्लॉइज, तो आप वो रिपोर्ट खोल के बैठ जाओगे. दैट्स इट. यू कैन नॉट,
Okay.
इफ द पर्सन टेल्स यू ओके मुझे ये देखना है, सपोज जानवी का डेटा मुझे देखना है, दैट्स ऑल यू कैन सी.
Got
यू
it.
कैन नॉट चेंज. अभी जैसे जानवी का लोकेशन चेंज करना, यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट फ्रॉम द रिपोर्ट्स पॉइंट. यू कैन ओनली सी. बट अगर टास्क बोला, जैसे मैंने कहा टू क्रिएट अ रिपोर्ट, सी क्रिएट मैंने लिखा कि हर जगह टास्क आ गया.
Okay.
क्रिएट दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. जैसे क्रिएट कंपनी, आपके पास अगर फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से IBM केम टू यू and said कि I want to work with Workday now. Okay, I want to imply Workday as my HRMS. So
Got
what
it.
you will do here, you will create the company, because
Okay.
you have to implement that IBM company into the Workday.
Correct.
IBM के सारे एम्प्लॉयज यहाँ आएंगे, उनका डेटा आएगा, पेरोल यहाँ आएगा, हायरार्की आएगी, पूरा यहाँ पे करना है. So you have to create. That means you are working on it. It is action. Is it clear? Is it
हाँ.
making any sense to you?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. I'll give you a few examples. So you tell me whether it falls under task or it falls under the report.
Okay.
Just a minute. Okay. So, for example, you want to hire an employee. So where will it fall? Into report or a task?
I want to hire an employee. I think it would be into this task.
Correct. Correct. What if you want to assign a role to one employee?
Assign a role again, task.
Correct. Now, for example, you want to see a salary of an ex-employee. What will you do? It is a task or a report?
Report.
Report. Correct. For example, you want to go through the head count of the company. Where will it go?
I think report.
Correct. I hope it is making easy for you to understand
Yes.
what is the difference. There are multiple examples clear that a report is something where you can only see the data, you cannot work on that. And task is a like data or a page where you can work on it. You can action on that. You can take an action in it.
Okay.
Like for example, I said you have to hire somebody, that is an action. That is the task. But आपको उसका फिर salary देखना है, it is just a report. You cannot change
Report.
it.
Correct. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Now, जैसे मैंने अभी यहाँ पे search किया. Okay. I typed. Okay. How will you understand what you need to type?
As per the requirement.
Yeah, correct. Like जैसे मैंने कहा कि वर्क डे में एम्प्लॉय नहीं होता, वर्कर होता है. So how will you understand कि किसको क्या बोलते हैं? Do you know what it is called?
I think all would be worker in then.
Sorry?
All would be worker, I think.
Okay. So whatever you have to search here, it is called as prefix.
Prefix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you search here is called a prefix. अभी जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे worker टाइप किया तो सारा आ गया. Okay. Now, what can you put in the prefix? I'll tell you for example. जैसे अभी एम्प्लॉय को वर्कर बोलते हैं, इसे मैंने यहाँ पे वर्कर टाइप किया. ओके. अभी मुझे जैसे कंपनी बनानी है, सो आई विल पुट कंपनी. बट यहाँ पे कंपनी के बारे में कितना सारा डेटा है. सी, it is too much to go through. You cannot sit and find each and everything, right? So उसके लिए what you can do is you can simply put a question mark and press enter.
Okay.
It will help you with all the prefixes and how to search it. जैसे यहाँ पे उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया है, टू सर्च एन एम्प्लॉय यू कैन
Mhm.
पुट लाइक दिस, जैसे कि वहाँ पे आपको फिल्ट्रेशन मिल जाएगा, सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू सिट एंड फाइंड एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
ओके, जैसे यू हैव टू फाइंड जानवी, you have to find worker Janvi, you have to put here
Mhm.
worker, and this, what is it called by the way, this two dots you can see?
Colon, semicolon, something.
Yeah, it is called as colon. You are right, absolutely right. But in Workday, you do not call it a colon. It is called
Mhm.
as delimiter.
Telemeter.
Yeah, you can note it
Okay.
down if you want.
Okay, sure. Let me just note it down.
Yeah, you
I
can
think
just.
the new joiner has. I think someone has joined the call as well.
Is it?
Yes.
I'm unable to see actually. Is it Payal? Yeah, it is Payal. Hi, Payal.
Hi.
Yes, actually, we thought that you won't join, so we begin with the session. But no
Uh,
worries. I
no,
will.
I don't have remember the time and I don't have.
Oh, no worries, no worries. I can take your what we say, introductory session once again. But first, I
Yeah.
will complete with Himanshu because we are into I'm trying to explain him something. So meanwhile, you
Yeah,
can
sure,
just
sure.
wait. Once I'm
Yeah, yeah,
done with
okay.
this, I'll take you to the introduction. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah. So Himanshu, we were here. So when you want to search
Mhm.
an employee, you have to write worker, delimiter,
Mhm.
and then the employee name.
Okay.
Okay, this will reduce your unwanted time waste, and also
Mhm.
it will make it easy. Then the next
Got it.
thing is specific organization, you can say. Okay, now
Mhm.
here every organization gets a code, by the way, right? But
Mhm.
if you have name, you can write name also, company colon and name, or direct name also.
कंपनी लाइक उसके लिए पहले कंपनी लिखना है, देन टेलीमार्क,
Yeah,
एंड
yeah,
उसके बाद कंपनी नेम एंड या फिर कंपनी कोड, बोथ विल
yeah.
वर्क.
This also works. If not, you can directly put company name also. ठीक है, जैसे मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. ठीक है, IB, let's take IBM. आ गया, IBM company.
ओके.
But many a times there are multiple names also, because आपका जो production का tenant जो होता है, there are multiple people who use it. So
ओके.
it might happen that it shows multiple results. Okay, now over here we have only one, so it makes it easy. But हो सकता है कि there might be multiple names. So you
ओके.
can mention like that also. You can search directly. Okay,
गॉट इट. ठीक है.
yeah. The same thing you have to do for reports also. अभी reports के भी बहुत सारे नाम हो सकते हैं. So to find it specifically, you have to find it like that only. Report जैसे अभी होगा, I don't know what reports these tenant are having. Let's take worker. Let's take payroll, for example. No, I think in tenant they don't have a specific report thing. But like whenever in the production file, whenever you are doing, this is way you can find.
ओके.
Is there anything you would like to like note down extra that we discussed?
आई डोंट थिंक सो. मुझे एक बात बस पूछनी है, तो
Hmm.
लाइक प्रीफिक्स कब यूज करना है, व्हेनेवर आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, इन
Uh-huh.
दैट केस ओनली.
Yeah, like prefix you're saying, right? The
ठीक है.
delimiter you're saying?
हाँ, ये प्रीफिक्स, दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क जो लगाया था ना इस पे.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, for example, you're not understanding what to do, where to
ओके.
find. You can just
ओके.
simply go on the question mark, press enter, you will find this. This is a solution, but again, see, there are all prefixes here.
ओके. So
Now,
there
in
are
the tenant, so
lots.
you might find it doesn't make sense, but yeah, in the production, you will find things like जैसे देखो, analytic data source. This is the prefix that people use.
Okay.
And for
A
example,
shortcut means, is it
yeah,
like
correct,
that?
correct, correct. Shortcut, you can say. This is called as prefix, the short form, we can say.
Okay.
Or there is another way also. For example, I had searched create custom report, right? You're not
Mm-hmm.
able to remember, or it is making things lengthy.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just write the first three letters also, first three alphabets. Create, custom, report. See, it identified what you wanted.
Okay,
The first three alphabets of that word.
got it. Minimum 3 words required.
Yeah, minimum three words you need to mention so that it gets easy for him to understand what you want. Now,
Okay.
in for example, you are in the interview. The
Mm-hmm.
interviewer may ask like, how do you search the prefix? How will you find?
Okay.
So you can simply say that you have to go to the search bar or the task bar and you
Mm-hmm.
have to put a question mark, and all sort of prefixes you can see in the
Mm-hmm.
production.
Okay,
Easy,
done.
because you cannot remember everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you will
Correct.
find it over here. Is it okay?
Yes. Okay, done. Perfect.
Okay. Now, let's go towards report. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is a report exactly? Like we had mentioned, report is a something like a data, we can say, or a
Mm-hmm.
file which you can view but you cannot edit,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
Correct. Now, how many types of reports are there in Workday? There are two types
Mm-hmm.
of reports.
ठीक है.
I'll just open the Excel sheet so that I can type, and it
Mm-hmm.
will be like I'm going to share you the like a recorded session also, so you can view it there also easily.
Okay.
I don't know why my system is lagging today.
No worries.
Just open the notepad.
Janvi, can I ask you something?
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Actually, my when I start taken admission for these courses, I
Hmm.
already told my date from 3rd of July and timing will be 7 p.m.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay, no
So
worries. That, huh?
नहीं नहीं मुझे ये पूछना था फिर मुझे आज से क्यों आज ही क्यों ज्वाइन करवाया है क्योंकि मेरा
Mm,
टाइमिंग का इशू था मैं शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ ये मेरा इशू था
so did you like discuss it with your sales person, like जिन्होंने आपका डेमो लिया या फिर जिनसे आप कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, उनको आपने बोला क्या ये?
हाँ मैंने उनको क्लियरली मेंशन किया था कि मुझे जो भी बैच मतलब जब भी मैं क्लासेस स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ उसका डेट होगा थर्ड उन्होंने मुझे दो ऑप्शन दिए थे 29th of July एंड 3rd of July सॉरी 29th of June एंड 3rd of July.
हाँ.
At that time I already told him that I want a batch from 3rd of July
Okay. So,
and timing will be 7 p.m. only.
okay, 7 p.m. only. Then let's do one thing. You can just talk to them once that I'm not available until 3rd of July. So I will also speak with them and then we can connect from 3rd of July. No worries. Like I was not
Okay.
aware that you were looking from 3rd of July. What like Manika told me that you're looking from. So I was like, okay,
No,
yesterday
no.
only we had
Actually,
started.
I am shifting my home. Actually, that was the major issue of mine.
Okay, then no
Yeah.
worries. Maybe you can disconnect today from the meeting You tell Manika
Okay.
that I'm not available from like before 3rd of July, and we can start from then.
Mm-hmm.
No worries.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No worries.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Himanshu, am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Where was I? Yeah. So, speaking about reports,
Mhm.
in Workday, there are two types of reports. One is custom report, and
ठीक है,
second is standard report.
ठीक है.
Okay. Now, maybe by the name, can you tell me what do you mean by custom report and standard report?
स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट्स आई थिंक जो कंपनी या फिर वर्कडे के हिसाब से कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एक फॉर्मेट है उसी में ही
Uh-huh.
आएगी एंड कस्टम अपन उसमें कुछ भी चेंजेस कर सकते हैं
Right.
आगे पीछे.
Absolutely. You're absolutely right. Custom report is something which we can edit in simple
हम्म,
words.
हम्म,
Edit, or we can see we can create new report.
हम्म,
Okay. But
ओके
एक जो standard report होता है वो workday integrated होता है. Okay.
ठीक
These
है,
are the standard reports which workday has already given to you,
ठीक है.
included.
हम्म,
You
हम्म,
don't have to change it. वो जैसा है वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. जैसे अभी for example, let's take example of worker data.
हम्म,
ओके. वर्कर का नाम है, वर्कर का एड्रेस है, वर्कर की एज है, एंड उसका सैलरी है.
हम्म,
ये 4 कॉलम है उसमें, तो वो वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट.
हम्म,
बट इन द कस्टम रिपोर्ट, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लाइंट ने बोला मुझे वर्कर का डेटा चाहिए,
हम्म,
मुझे वर्कर का नाम चाहिए, वर्कर का
हम्म,
एड्रेस चाहिए, वर्कर का कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर चाहिए, एंड
हम्म,
वर्कर का पे चाहिए, लेकिन उसके
हम्म,
साथ साथ मुझे वर्कर का मतलब उनको कितना साल हो गया इस कंपनी में वो भी चाहिए.
ठीक है.
So,
टोटल एक्सपीरियंस.
yes, you can create it into custom report.
ओके.
Okay, लेकिन वो अगर अगर आपके क्लाइंट का रिक्वायरमेंट ऐसे कस्टमाइज नहीं है, दे आर फाइन विद अ स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट, यू कैन सिंपली वर्क ऑन स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट. यू हैव टू ओपन
ठीक है.
इट. वहां पे आपको ऑलरेडी इजी डेटा मिल जाएगी. जस्ट हैव टू डाउनलोड इट इनटू एक्सेल एंड यू हैव टू सेंड इट. दैट्स इट.
ओके.
ओके. आई होप इट वाज इजी, राइट?
यस, इजी.
करेक्ट. आगे आपको पता चलेगा. तो दो टाइप है आगे. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट कस्टमाइजिंग रिपोर्ट्स, इसके अंदर आपके 4-5 टाइप्स है.
ओके.
So yeah, once you begin at that time, you can understand. Simple report, advanced report, espresso report, many type of reports are there.
ओके.
But we will go one by one, not to worry.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ओके.
Okay, we'll go tenant once. Okay. So I'll just quickly show you how to create a report.
ठीक है.
Okay.
हम्म,
We can create a custom report. ओके. अभी लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड क्या चाहिए है. कस्टम रिपोर्ट हमें चाहिए है वर्कर डेटा, वर्कर के रिलेटेड चाहिए. ओके. वर्कर, लेट्स सी वर्कर डेटा. Now, like I said, there are multiple types of. Oh, it is already taken. Worker June data. Let's take. हाँ, ये भी डिटेक्ट करता है. If the report is a duplicate, it identifies it. Hello, Himanshu. Himanshu, am I audible? Hello. Hello. Yeah, Himanshu, tell me. Okay, I think it might be discharged. Yeah, yeah, no worries, no worries.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Hey, okay. Sorry, actually I thought it is plugged in,
Mm-hmm.
but मेरा office वाला laptop plugged in था, not this one.
Oh, no worries. It's okay. It's okay. No worries.
Okay.
Okay, but are you able to view my screen? But
Everything is fine now.
okay, great. So luckily, I understood that you are not there, so you
Hmm.
didn't miss anything. So
Okay.
again, like I created the report name. I
Mhm.
entered the report name. This is the name I
Mhm.
want.
Mhm.
Now, report name is also given by the client. Okay.
Mhm.
यहाँ पे हमें we don't need to scratch our heads. Okay.
Okay.
डेटा जो क्लाइंट को चाहिए वो नाम खुद बताते हैं कि हमें ऐसा ऐसा चाहिए. You just have to create it.
Okay.
Okay, then report
Mhm.
type, like I said, there are multiple types of reports:
Mhm.
advanced, composite, matrix, nbox, search, simple, transposed, and trending.
Okay.
Okay, I will get to these reports one by one. For now, it is not important for you to understand this. ये जब
ठीक
हम
है.
रिपोर्टिंग के मॉड्यूल में होंगे तब मैं आपको
Mhm.
बताऊंगी.
ठीक है.
ओके, इफ नॉट, अगर हमारा लाइक इफ वी गेट मिडल, कुछ टाइम हमें मिल जाए कि हमारे
हाँ
पास
हाँ.
5-10 मिनट बचा है, सो एट दैट टाइम आई कैन ऑल्सो जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इट इज.
ठीक है.
ओके, नाउ सिंपल रिपोर्ट जनरली अभी आजकल यूज नहीं करते हैं, मोस्टली एडवांस करते हैं, सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजी
Mhm.
यू टू वर्क ऑन दैट. ओके, जैसे
ठीक है.
अभी देखो मैंने यहाँ पे सिंपल सिलेक्ट किया तो यहाँ
हाँ
पे
हाँ.
ऑप्शन नहीं आया, कुछ यहाँ पे ऑप्शन था, राइट?
एक
अगेन आई
था
डू
कुछ.
इट. See,
Enable
enable
as a
as
web
web
service.
service.
Okay.
Now, what it is, when you enable it, you
Mhm.
can share this data from workday to workday.
Okay.
Okay, but
Mhm.
along with that, you can share from workday to external source also. Only with
Okay.
this one tick.
Got it. And how to share it? I think it वो आएगा भी
Yeah,
नीचे.
वो हम सीखेंगे EIB में. EIB है
EIB.
आपका, कहाँ गया आपका मॉड्यूल, कहाँ गया?
आगे वाले आने वाले समय में.
करेक्ट, वो जो आपका EIB 14th या 15th मॉड्यूल है, उस टाइम पे ये
ओके.
काम आएगा.
ओके. ओके. ओके.
बिकॉज जब
अभी
तक आप
दूर
टिक
है
नहीं
अभी.
करोगे वो वहां से ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा.
ठीक है.
ओके, फॉर नाउ आई जस्ट
ओके. ओके.
अनटिक इट बिकॉज इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा, सो आई जस्ट स्किप इट
Mhm.
फॉर नाउ. नाउ डेटा सोर्स, ऑब्वियसली वर्कर का डेटा है तो हमें वर्कर
Mhm.
के इसमें से चाहिए है, फ्रॉम द सोर्स. डेटा
Mhm.
सोर्स मतलब हमें कहाँ से डेटा चाहिए है. इजी, लाइक
ठीक है.
द नेम इटसेल्फ टेल्स. डेटा सोर्स, सोर्स जहां से डेटा चाहिए. इजी.
Mhm.
ओके, अभी हो सकता है योर क्लाइंट सेज वी दे वांट डेटा फॉर पेरोल,
ठीक है.
तो यहाँ पे आपको पेरोल का आ जाएगा फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके,
Mhm.
हो सकता है उनको चाहिए है कुछ और, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे दे वांट कैलकुलेटेड बैलेंसेस फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वर्कडे का, या
Mhm.
फिर हो सकता है कुछ और मांग सकते हैं वो.
Mhm.
फॉर्मर वर्कर का डेटा चाहिए, फॉर एग्जांपल एक्स एम्प्लॉइज जो
Mhm.
है उनका डेटा चाहिए.
Mhm. ठीक है.
So you will select that. They will only tell you. You just have to find it.
ओके.
That's it. Okay. We will
ठीक है.
select OK. Now it is generating the, what we can say, the skeleton for you of that data.
ठीक है. ओके.
और उसमें कमांड डालना पड़ेगा. अभी
Mhm.
जैसे डेटा सोर्स हमने किया फॉर्मर डेटा
Mhm.
फिल्टर उसने लगा दिया. Now let's go to
ठीक
the
है.
additional info. Now this is main your work starts. Okay.
Mhm.
I will come to this tomorrow, okay, because it is a huge topic. ये क्या है? Okay.
ठीक है.
Now field we can select global field या फिर आपको किस में से ढूंढना है डेटा. Okay. Let's go
Mhm.
worker again. Okay. Former डेटा का चाहिए है.
ठीक है.
Okay. कॉलम हेडिंग ओवरराइड, कॉलम का जो नाम है,
Mhm.
और somebody log in. Oh God, somebody logged in. रुको फिर से बनाते हैं.
So is this क्या कहते हैं जो अपना वर्क डे की प्रोफाइल, इज इट शेयरेबल या फिर इज इट इंडिविजुअल?
कौन सा सॉरी आई डिडंट गेट इट.
जो वर्क डे की जो अपना आईडी पासवर्ड दिए हुए हैं, इज इट शेयरेबल?
No, it is only for you. You
Okay,
cannot
okay,
share it.
okay,
It
okay.
is only for you.
No, I thought you just shared, you just thought कि किसी ने लॉगिन कर लिया तो I
नहीं
thought
नहीं मतलब शेयरेबल मतलब हाँ मुझे लगा आप किसी को शेयर कर सकते हो. नहीं.
नहीं,
yes,
मैं नहीं कर
अभी
सकता।
और भी जो ट्रेनर्स है वो
हाँ
भी
हाँ,
ऐसे ही सिमिलर टेनेंट्स यूज करते हैं.
okay,
या
but their ID password would be different or the same?
no, it is same only. It is same.
Okay.
टेनेंट्स 4-5 होते हैं बट ये
हम्म
पासवर्ड यही है. तो ऐसा अलग और टेनेंट है मतलब वो अगर चालू हो जाता है तो आई विल शो यू दैट आल्सो. दैट इज ओरिजिनल लोगन वाला,
हम्म।
लोगन मैगन वाला. आई विल शो यू दैट आल्सो. ओके वर्कर जून डेटा. अरे यार बड़ी
Former worker.
ओके कॉलम का जो है फॉर्मर डेट फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉई वी कैन से
हम्म
कुछ अलग रखते हैं मतलब वो बाइफरकेट. फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉई डेटा. ओके आई डोंट नो इन टेनेंट हाँ ऑप्शंस नहीं है यहाँ पे. इंडिकेटर उसके लोगों के पास जाएगा.
I think field empty इसलिए तो नहीं आ रहा.
maybe stick worker type. I don't think so. Still okay हाँ valid option. ठीक है let's keep it blank so that सारा डेटा आएगा. अभी I'll do okay. I have created this report.
ठीक है.
Now this report is generated. Okay, see create custom report हमने search किया था. This is the data that we named. Report definition नाम आ गया report name. एडवांस टाइप है इसका. डेटा सोर्स हमने लिया फॉर्मर वर्कर मतलब हमें फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉय का डेटा चाहिए. ओके बट नाउ इफ यू गो डाउन यहाँ पे आपको यही नाम आ रहा है. सी व्हाई इट इज बिकॉज ये टेनेंट है. यहाँ पे कोई एम्प्लॉय का डेटा नहीं है.
ठीक है.
ओके दैट्स व्हाई. नहीं तो यहाँ पे ऐसे एक लिस्ट आती है. ओके जैसे वर्कर टाइप क्या है वो टेम्पररी था, परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय था, एफटीई था. वो यहाँ पे ऐसा आता है फील्ड में. एंड फॉर्मर वर्कर यहाँ पे सारे नाम आते हैं.
ठीक है. फॉर एन एग्जांपल उनकी वर्कर आईडी, नेम, फुल नेम, लास्ट नेम, दिस काइंड ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स एक्सेल में जो आती है.
यू कैन क्रिएट बट अगेन दिस इज अ टेनेंट. यहाँ पे यहाँ पे बहुत है. ओके जैसे यहाँ पे फिल्टर का ऑप्शन है. देखो फिल्टर्स में भी हम कुछ नहीं दिखा पा रहे बिकॉज देयर इज नो डेटा. अगेन फिर यहाँ पे प्रॉम्प्ट्स होते हैं. लाइक व्हेन यू हैव द डेटा तो प्रॉम्प्ट में आप डाल सकते हो जैसे फिल्टर एंड प्रॉम्प्ट जैसे सैलरी 1 लाख to 2 लाख के बीच में ही चाहिए. सो यू कैन सी दैट ओवर हियर.
ठीक है.
प्रॉम्प्ट्स में यहाँ पे ऑप्शन होते हैं बट नथिंग इज सीन. कुछ भी क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज अ टेनेंट. बट व्हेन यू गो इनटू द प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे प्रॉम्प्ट्स आते हैं जैसे आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए.
ठीक है.
ओके
ओके.
I'll just speak once but with Manika I'll speak once. ये कुछ कॉन्फ़िगर हो सकता है क्या?
That would be great.
Exactly. अभी यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं आपको. देखिए रन, test
Mhm.
and done.
Okay.
What do you mean by this? Can you tell me?
रन इज लाइक कि जो भी अपन ने डेटा बनाया है इसको रन करेगी रिपोर्ट एज ऑफ टुडेज
हाँ.
डेट या जो भी है, एंड द सिस्टम वुड बी रेडी विद दिस टाइप की वो वी कैन व्यू इट आई थिंक.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट.
हम्म.
अभी यहाँ पे डेटा है नहीं, बट व्हेन यू रन
हम्म.
करोगे तो इट विल शो यू वर्कर टाइप एम्प्लॉई हमारा.
हम्म. हम्म.
आई डोंट नो क्या आएगा इसमें. डेटा
टर्मिनेशन डेट फ्रॉम टू, मतलब आई थिंक वही हो गया, कब से कब तक का चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली. मैं थोड़ा पीछे का लेती हूँ, कुछ आ गया तो वेल एंड गुड.
हाँ.
ना, नो डेटा.
ना.
सो व्हेन यू रन वो आपको दिखाएगा कि
हम्म.
कैसा दिखेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आपने जो कमांड डाला है वो यहाँ पे कैसे
हम्म.
आएगा.
हम्म.
ओके, बट वहां पे एक टेस्ट का ऑप्शन था. फॉर एग्जांपल यू गो बैक. ओके, आप वापस आ जाओगे. ओके, यू केम हियर अगेन.
हम्म.
आपने कुछ चेंज किया.
हम्म.
I don't know what happened to these options now. Save. Just a minute now.
हाँ हाँ, आराम से आराम से.
You wanted to ask ना कौन सा column, कौन सा field. See, I have mentioned a field here, addresses. Okay, just, address only. I'll mention address. I'll do a plus here. एक और field बन गई.
ठीक है.
Now you want, for example, date of birth चाहिए. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Date of birth बन गया. We'll take for an example. Roles ले लेते हैं.
हम्म,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रोल क्या है उनका।
हम्म,
Let's run the report now. अभी again डेटा है नहीं, but
हम्म,
this is how it will run. तो वो डेटा जो है वो पूरा ऐसे आएगा. We will have the employee name like this. फील्ड
हम्म,
होगी, हर एक एम्प्लॉय का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रोल क्या है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, एड्रेस क्या है, मतलब बेसिकली कॉलम्स ऐसे आएंगे.
ठीक है.
या एंड फॉर्मेट बेसिकली वहाँ पे था नहीं कुछ इंक्लूड करने के लिए, बट वंस यू आर इन द प्रोडक्शन फील्ड यू कैन हैव फॉर्मेट्स लाइक बेसिकली फॉर्मेटिंग आप दे सकते हो, कॉलम्स एंड रोज का ही फॉर्मेट होता है मोस्टली, मैट्रिक्स मतलब
ठीक है.
वो आप ऐड कर सकते हो.
ओके.
And if you change something and you want to test it before implying on the production पे जाने से पहले आपको टेस्ट करना है, तो आप टेस्ट का बटन दबा के वो आपको पूरा डेटा बना के देगा. And if you're okay with that, then you have to come back and have to do done.
ओके.
Then it will, मतलब प्रोडक्शन में ऐसा करोगे आप.
ठीक है.
Okay. I hope you were able to understand. We will again come to this point, but I wanted to just show you what and how to create a report.
ठीक है. Done.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then for today we will just end it today. Tomorrow
Mhm.
we will go to business objects कि क्या होता है वो, and also there are few more points that I will make for you and we can go ahead. कल mostly theory पर जाएंगे. Okay?
कल या सैटरडे?
Oh yeah, sorry, Saturday, right? So sorry.
हाँ.
Right.